everyone and welcome back. I'm your clever money girl and today we will discuss how to earn more than $350 a day by typing names for free. Imagine being able to earn up to $500 per day. How wonderful would it be just to enter names online? Here's a detailed explanation of how it works. You'll now get paid if you type one word or one name such as David, and you will get paid again if you input another name such as Jennifer. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and here's how much money you can make. If you type one page of names, you can receive 15 points. If you type 5 pages, you'd get $75. If you type 20 pages every day, you'd earn $300. The nicest thing is that there are no limitations. You have complete freedom to type as much as you want and earn as much as you want. This is something you can do on your phone or on your computer, and it's entirely free and available all around the world. Make sure you stay tuned to the end to avoid missing out on the registration process, which is actually pretty challenging and the majority of people do it wrong. Also, stay tuned for another bonus, a website that earns 3 times as much as the others. Now let's get started. As you can see, we can use the calculator on our website to estimate how much money you can make from this branding opportunity. Pay attention to the rate per word, which tells you how much money you can make per piece of work you write. It's 50 cents in US dollars in this example, and one page normally contains 300 words. For example, in this typing name project, right here is page 1, right here is page 2, and right here is page 3, and you may earn money simply by typing names on each of these pages. Let me show you this page where you can get paid $15 for a total word count of up to 300 words. When you scroll down, you'll see that there are 300 names in total. Each one is worth 300 words, and you may choose up to 15 on each page by simply typing names into this website. Consider that we can receive up to 20 pages each day at $15 per page, meaning that we can easily earn $300 or $400 per day simply by typing names into the search box on our page. First and foremost, I would like you to go to talentdesire.com. Earn money without putting in any effort from the comfort of your own home. This is a fully free opportunity. To get started, you don't need to invest any money or effort. By scrolling down below, you can discover if they offer various work-from-home options. Online proofreading employment, freelance blogging, language translation, online paid surveys, and a range of other professions are among the options. However, for the purposes of this video, we'll focus on the online typing job because it's one of the simplest jobs on this website and requires no prior experience or talent. I want you to click on this red button right here to read more. Take a peek at what's going on here. Every year, you can make anything from $13,500 to $27,000. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for people all over the world. In terms of the price of joining, you can see that registration is free and there are no hidden costs before or after you join, and they never ask you for money. This is entirely free and global opportunity. Now we can see that you will get paid differently depending on your ability level, ranging from beginner to expert. I'll give you a secret bonus tip in a moment that will help you earn higher rate. You can see here that you can get paid at an expert level even if you're a complete newbie, and I'll tell you to process in a minute and no one else is aware of it. So I'm going to show you the first bonus method that will help you earn more money right now. I'd like you to go to ratatype.com. Essentially, this is the homepage of this website where you can take a free typing exam. And I'd like you to click on this yellow button right here to go to the page where we can begin typing on our phones or PCs. I'd like you to click and begin typing right now. Then, as this website offers you a free certificate, click on the yellow icon and I'd like you to do a speed typing test. You may now receive the certificate for free, and in this video, I'll show you how. A typing certificate is necessary because it will enhance your income and earnings per page. Make sure you have a certificate if you want to earn $15 for each page you write. This is the greatest secret because even if you're a newbie, having the certificate to prove to them that you can type will help you get approved much faster. You'll be able to earn a lot of money and have a lot of work options. That means you may earn up to $300 or $400 per day simply by entering names, so stay tuned for more details on how to receive their certificate and complete your application on talentdesire.com. Are you still with me? If you do, that's awesome. If you want to improve your financial outlook, don't forget to subscribe to your Clever Money Girl. I post videos daily to help you get financially smart, and while you're at it, don't forget to click the like button and the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, now is the time to return to work and earn some money. As you can see, when you begin typing on this page, it counts both your words per minute and your accuracy. The term accuracy refers to whether or not you make any mistake in spelling or typing. As you can see, your accuracy should be between 98 and 99.99%, and the higher your accuracy, the more money you could earn. However, by taking a typing test and completing our certificate on this website, you may demonstrate your typing speed and accuracy, resulting in increased compensation. Let me show you how to take this test right now and get your certificate for free in less than 5 minutes using a real-life example. They'll show me my typing speed and accuracy once I've finished typing. This is my actual findings. So if your speed is lower or your accuracy is less than 98%, don't worry. You may come back to our website and retake the typing exam for free as many times as you want until your speed and accuracy improve. Once you're satisfied with the result, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click this link to sign up for a free account. By providing your name, email address, and password, and then clicking the Create Account button, you may create a free account. Accept the terms and conditions by clicking I accept the terms and condition button. Then sign up by clicking the yellow button. As you can see, I entered my name, email address, and password before clicking this button, and then I'll return here and log in once I've signed up for a free account. Right here on my dashboard, you can see my name, as well as my typing speed and accuracy. Now, all we have to do is scroll down to my certificate, which can be found here. Simply click on the certificate to be led to this website, where they will show you routertype.com signature to ensure the certificate is genuine. If you use this certificate, it is usually highly beneficial to you. If you use it, you'll be paid at a much higher rate. Keep watching because I'll teach you how to sign up, register, and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com so you can start receiving typing jobs and projects like this one right now and make $15 over and over. You can click on this print button right here if you scroll down below. Don't worry, you can do this on your computer or your phone. Simply click the save button to save the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file. This is the exact certificate I received from Ratatype for free. Once you have your certificate, you can begin applying for these positions. So go to talentdesire.com and scroll down to the bottom of the website to the red button that says Apply Now. Then you'll be led to this website where you may begin applying for jobs. However, please pay close attention and watch this video all the way through because the registration page is crucial. Now that you've landed on this page, take a look around. To view what's available, scroll down. You'll be taken to the screen after selecting an application. You can choose whether the application is online or offline. Although the page will default to an online application, if you scroll down after clicking on this red link, you'll see an online application form for work-from-home jobs. I just want you to scroll down here and look for the small red link right here, which will take you to a page where you can apply and work. The sign-up page on this website is, as you can see, quite hidden. Rewatch the video if you can't find the registration page. You can also add this video to your playlist or view it at a later time. You'll see that you'll be filing in your personal information if you scroll down to the bottom of this page. The first thing you'll need to do is accept the privacy policy by clicking here. Then enter scroll down. We can see that they welcome people from all around the world. Now it's time to move on to the next step. It all basically comes down to your professional knowledge. It is a significant aspect and majority of people get it wrong on their first try. Now I'd like you to complete the area about professional data entry specialist job titles. It's critical that you key in job titles like this one and then decide on the best time for you. Then, whenever you want, click on this down arrow here and you'll be able to see it. However, I want you to work all day because it will provide you with more options and jobs, which means you'll be able to earn more money. By clicking on this arrow right here, you can choose between PayPal, Pioneer, Direct Transfer, or Scroll as your preferred method of receiving your earnings. So for me, I use PayPal. You can now scroll down to your current professional status and select one of the options available. In this case, self-employed, and once you fill in all the details, you can actually click on Yes, I have read and accept the statement and also your signature. Simply provide your full name in the box below and click I am not a robot and then click Submit. Once you've been accepted, you can start receiving typing tasks like this, where you can earn $15 for typing 300 words on one page, $15 for typing 300 words on the next page, and $15 for typing 300 words on the third page, and so on. For each page that you type, you can earn $15. This is why I encourage you to submit your job on time to keep receiving more and more jobs. What do you think about this tutorial? Please share them in the comment section below. And also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel so you can see all of the videos we will be releasing in the coming days, weeks, and months. And that's it for this video. If you learned anything new, please leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and get financially smart with your Clever Money Girl. See ya!